Let us move forward to mathematical functions. We are starting by creating an array. We can visualize the array by printing it below, and then let's see, we can use addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and run that. The first array we have multiplied 10 in each value. The second we have subtracted 10. The third we have multiplied by 10, and the fourth we have divided by 10. When we add an operator, all the values are added or subtracted or whatever the operator is. As submitted along Jupyter Notebook with more functions that you can review, play around with them to learn how to use them or to see what they can do. We have more indexing, more mathematical and sampling functions in this notebook. Go through it and you learn more about those functions, and you'll see what they can do. Notice that Numpy is very important component of business intelligence